All right. Okay, I bumbled around for a little while, just trying to figure out what I am actually trying to do here, and I found it out. So, figured it out. Um, I deleted the last video because it was 10 minutes of me rambling. Let's try not to do that this time. Genesis NPC, no player. What we want to do is set default raycast that just checks things all the time. So, mouse button down sends raycast. Mouse button right. Okay. Right. Now. We're going to rename these. We're going to name them new event raycast left click. Oh shit, hold on. In fact, actually, let's delete that. And we're just going to call this one send raycast left click. And we're going to change send raycast fuck off to send raycast right click. Okay. We can get rid of this key. Well, we're going to fuck with that key down later. So we go to right click. This is left click. Okay, raycast stores the hit object. Then what it needs to do is, instead of doing the send event at the bottom, we're going to compare the object. Sorry, I have a kink in my neck. So, game object compare. We're going to put this down here. And we're going to compare to the raycast hit object. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to specify game object. And this is the raycast hit object. And we're going to compare it to compare to, well, I guess we don't want to compare the object. I think we want to like get tag, right? Or what we want to do is we want to check, we want to get game tag, and if it's NPC, so we get tag, game object, raycast hit object. We're going to store the result is in raycast hit object tag, right? And that's not a global, is it? Raycast hit object tag. Okay, great. And what we'll do is, can we game object compare tag. So the game object that we're going to compare is the hit object and the tag. Oh, I guess we don't even need to get tag, right? Sorry, I'm so like, I just put a lot of redundancies and then delete them as I go. Game object compare tags. We're going to check the raycast hit object. If the tag is an NPC, the true event is going to be we're going to delete this. And the true event is going to be Finn. The false event, or actually, let's change that. The true event is clicked NPC. We're going to delete this transition. We're going to take it here. And then if it's false, we want to check like what it was. Actually, if it's, we should just keep it as, I think it's okay to have one state with multiple game object compare tags. So if we hit it, then we clicked an NPC and we're telling them to go inside. Whereas over here is we have that ray cast. And we have the string, and then we string compare to beer. Right, so could even put the build string up there. So we could call this, what am I clicking? And this one, it was an NPC, so it's go inside. But we also want it to have the option to go here. We could tag those drinks as, tag them. Do we have a drinks tag? We do. Let's actually, because that'll confuse it, we should just put in drink. And so a beer is a drink, and a cocktail is a drink. Player. Okay, so we click something, right? And then let's also do, let's get another one in here, game object compare tag. We can actually just delete that. We can copy and paste it here. Except this one will change to drink, and the true event will be new event clicked drink. And that'll send us to here. Alright, so this is kind of our little redundancy thing that we don't need anymore. So we need to start cleaning up how, like what I'm going to do is clear transition target. So I need to remember that all of these need to come back around to send raycast left click. Okay, so what's touching us? This one goes to, we have that, right? This needs to be left click. So fin should come over here. And what are the other ones? Those two fins. There. And there. So this one, I can delete it now. There's no storing result, so I'm just going to delete it. Okay. So it's like, hey, what am I clicking? Oh, I clicked an NPC. Okay, I'm going to tell him to go inside. I guess a decent way might be able to... I was going to say put left click of stuff over here and right click stuff over here, but flow, my mind working from left to right, that'll fuck things up. So I'm just going to make it top and bottom. So left click is up here. This is left click stuff. Okay. And we click this NPC. That's one thing. And right click stuff. That's what this is. We don't really have much right click stuff for now, so we're just gonna move this stuff. Okay, and here is all of our glorious drink stuff. So this is what it's like to click on a drink. And this is what it's like to click on an NPC to tell them to go inside. So now we have it where you can click on either a drink or an NPC. Okay. So let's see if that works now. I think that works. Let's check. Okay, so I'm gonna let you in. Oh, duh, that start state. Let's just add a send event. Right there. It's probably just a useless empty thing to have those variables being set, but I imagine I might use it for something else after. So right click, get out of here. Go inside. So I'm doing this left click and it stopped at the ray cast. Oh, I have to do this every frame. Every frame a painting. Okay. Okay. Huh. I hate when I start changing things like this far back, because now I'm like, what was that shit about? So he's tagged NPC. Then he has that outside line box. Let's tag the outside line box as NPC. I don't think it ever really, so you get parent, build string, set name. Yeah, doesn't matter. We could set this as NPC. Okay. All right, come on in. Nice, come on in. Get out of here. And now I could have these guys over here. Grab a drink. Serve them up. And then I could, just without even answering him, be like, I don't care. Just get out of here. Ooh, okay, so that's a little weird. If I tell him to just get out of here without serving him. He went to go fuck yourself, which asks if you're drunk or not. Okay, it says set property, it enables it. Set agent destination as game object. Maybe we need to reset destination before that. Let's do a reset destination. Choose lounge. Where's the go fuck yourself? Int compare. And then we'll just put one for here. Reset, or what is it? what am I thinking of? What's like the? I thought there was like. What in the world am I thinking of? There's this thing that's like. How come I can't remember this thing's name right now? I think it's in. Agent reset path. How come reset doesn't pop up? Oh, it did. I'm so just dumb. Okay. So let's put that at the top. Resets the path. Now let's see if you could kick somebody out after they come to the bar. Okay, come on in. Fuck off. Okay. I wonder what happens if I... Okay, so if you go over and serve them even though you told them to fuck off, I'm gonna see if I could... Yeah, I could tell them to fuck off after that too. If you serve them after... After... It's funny. Okay. So that works. Great. Everything's working good. And I could change it so that thing gets turned off. NPC. So when you go fuck yourself, it's the same thing as being served. Shit, I don't remember where. It might be in the player controls. I think the player might be the one that... Oh, give beer. Oh, right. Man, got a little scatterbrain there. So all I'm really trying to do is turn off that thing. Which is right here. I think. Well, shit. The unfortunate thing about that is it was stored in a hit object. So I think actually we have to probably just find these locally in the NPC. Okay. So when you fuck off, We can do get child. And what are these tagged as? They're tagged as cocktail and beer. So, we pretty much have to do both, right? You go, I wonder if you could do it back to back where you just go like, because I think they also name themselves, right? Right. So it's whatever the number of NPCs plus that. Shit. Just a second. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is, well, actually, no, that doesn't work. Huzzah. Shit, this one's kind of a tough one. I guess we just have to get a child with that tag, which is cocktail or beer. Genesis NPC with tag. Oh shit. What the fuck just happened? Oh, it took me over here. I don't want to add a tag. With tag beer. Or can you, what other options do we have for a child? Find child. Find the child of a game object by name. I mean, yeah, because we could get child and just store it and then remove it. But no, you can specify the path. So game object, child name. Gets the child of the game object by index. Get random child, set tags. Set the tag on all children. Yeah, it looks like we're just gonna have to get the child first, store it, and then remove them. So we'll store the result, new variable as my drink order. And let's see if I could just use one of these and go twice. So then I can like deactivate, or what is it? Game object. Activate game object. Specify game object. My drink order, and we want to deactivate it. And then what we do is just copy this and paste it. So we have one round where it checks if it's beer, and then another round where we check if it is cocktail. And that's it. So that drink order should go away if you tell them to fuck off. Go inside. Go inside. What if we told everybody to just fuck off? Okay. Let's. Oop. Yeah. Everybody. I'm just gonna sneak up behind them and be like, hey, go home. Go home. Go home. Nope. Not serving you. Not your kind. We don't serve blues. We don't serve reds. We don't serve yellows. And then if I click on them, I'm like, you know, no, you can still come back in. Yeah, this is a way better way. I should have been doing that a long fucking time ago. Sometimes you just have like a way of thinking about things. It's just kind of seems obvious. Yeah, let's make sure we can serve him. Pretty sure we're all good, right? What if we tell? Hey, wait, no. Wait, come back. You and you, yeah, and you too. Okay. I changed my mind. I'm sorry. What do you want? A beer? Okay. Boom. What do you want? Cocktail? Sure. On the house. Cocktail? Sounds great. Cocktail? Well, y'all are grooving. Uh-oh. Where are y'all going? Okay. I think the reason this game's taking so long is because I just end up fucking playing it. Okay. Problem solved. So, we have that all rearranged and working again. Oh, that feels good to know I can kind of change a whole system that way and it worked nice and smooth still. That feels so good. Good old competence. Let's see if I can keep that up. Player outside. So we left click and does that. Tell them to go inside. Right. Oh, let's make it so if I right click and I click a drink, right now, what does it do? Stores the stores the object. Right. Well, let's do the tag. Let's do this one. So copy paste it. Bring it down here. And this right click will go here first. And then so this is our sort of universal right click thingy. And this is what happens when you tell an NPC to fuck off. And so clicked an NPC, right? Because I think that's already all set up for me. Oh, that feels so good. And then this one is I clicked a drink. And if I did click a drink, there's kind of like this weird redundancy, right? I think that's kind of a redundancy. I'm not gonna fuck with it though. So I'm just gonna do this. Game object activate. Right. Oh wait, no. No. Because there's no right-clicking a drink. I am a Dumbo. Okay. Delete. Right? Because is there anything else you're right-clicking other than NPCs? Because you have to equip things first. There's no, like, otherwise, yeah, okay, the default thing. Right. Okay. So what's this? Nothing. So what I want to do is add the right-click thing over here. So I picked up the beer. And over here is where you want it. Where I'm gonna copy paste. But instead, I'm going to do right-click, send raycast, right-click, add transition. And we're going to copy that. We're going to paste it over here. We're also going to do it right here. And we'll move these guys just to be a little cleaner. Still getting a little messy over here. It's all right. And the right click is going to take me right click, just goes straight over here, and this is our right click. Drink or player use drink. Okay, so what do? It despawns it, right? It check order match, and then we do this one. We deactivate it. Okay, it goes away. Nice. Now we can just have fun and say, what does it do? So is the player gonna have? See, now this is where I don't want to sit here streaming my thought process for too long, because that's not fun to watch or listen to. Okay. Where's player? Player. We are on player. So over here. Player blood cocaine level. We should also just do let's copy and paste that and change. We also have new global variable player underscore blood alcohol concentration. Okay, it's 0 at this point. And when we're over here, oh. there needs to be 2 of these. Oop, why did this get pasted in there? What am I feel like I just tried to copy and paste something. Oh, that's right. Yeah, this one. Copy. Okay. So what is the beer ad? I think a beer is 2, right? Or is a beer 1? I think a beer is 1. So we add 1. Let's copy and paste this. Except this one. Right click goes here. In fact, let's do this. Like that. Player holding cocktail. Okay, so it deactivates those, except the cocktail adds 2 to your blood alcohol concentration. And then we want it to send us back to player outside. So we'll do a global send back to player outside. In fact, that's what these should be too. These shouldn't have a fucking fin state. It should just be player outside. Delete transition. Delete transition. Player outside. Copy it. Put it in here too. Oh man. Fucking, this is just so much fun. Oh, I just love building this shit. Oh, it's so fucking addicting. Should have been doing this for fucking years. Okay. So it sends you back out there and you're good now. So what we need actually is the thing that checks your blood alcohol level. It's a global, so we don't have to do it necessarily in the controls. Right, I think it's just more of, even though I guess it would make sense, right? What should happen when you're drunk? Should it add like a wobble to your vision or something? It can't be too crazy because you gotta. It's a prerequisite for doing the dancing stuff. Well, that's there now, right? So that's just a perk. That's just a perk. So what we want to do, that's like set up for us to like fuck with in the future. But what we want to do for sure is the Coke bump stuff. So that's where we put in this key down stuff. So we're going to have Coke and I'm thinking, should it be C or should it be 1? Maybe it should be 1 and 2. It should just stay 1 and 2. Standard FPS controls. Okay. Let's see. You hit 1 and it takes you over here. Actually, yeah, we could put this in the middle. When you hit 1, it equips and unequips your Coke bump. So you know what we need to do is we actually need to look up we need to look up Coke vial. Vial? Vial. Or 70s Coke container. See, I hope it's not Coca-Cola. Right. Cocaine. That's so crazy. Jesus. But that's from like a long ass time ago. Oh, I guess that is from the 70s. Snow. I don't know about some of these though. Is it your grass and Coke? Is your grass and Coke over traveling? Wow. See, these are the things that I'm mostly thinking about. I was thinking about like a little scoop. Right, with just a little bump of Coke on it. In fact, I think, yeah, let's fire up Cinema. And we're just going to model a little Coke vial. Or a little Coke scoop. I don't know what's better. I think the scoop is better. So you can kind of see a little lump of it, the little bump of Coke at the tip, because the vial is just kind of this little ambiguous thing. I mean, it can also just be like do you do the mirror? Let's see. Let's see. 100 or money. Or I should search dollar, huh? I wonder if you're allowed to have like dollar bill? Huh. Oh, it's searching in dollar bill. Nothing. Okay, well, let's do $100 bill. 1970s. Save image. Haven't been saving enough to this, so should be an environment, right? It's a, hold on, let me search. 1977 $100 bill. Okay. And just make a cylinder. You know what we should do is we should get a little reference guy in here. Recent files. Props, that's where I should be saving it. There we go. So I'm just gonna do a cylinder. Whew. And then do right like that. That looks right. Okay. Our rotation segments. 15. Okay. And gonna bring in this bill. Okay. Drop it on. It's stretched out. Oh, and we also don't want it on these. So boom, boom, boom. Boop, boop. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, boom. These need to be extrude inner. Oop. Like that. And then extrude. Like that. And then just delete them. Okay. So I still wanna, just gonna unwrap these really quick. I think, we'll see. I wish I was a master unwrapper. Cylinder, that's how it is already. I'd already kind of guessed that. Cylinder, we don't want to fit to selection, do we? Weighted normal. Box. No. Shrink. Cubic. Cylinder. Cylinder's kind of one of the best ones, but I think what we need to do is stretch all these out. Oops. Non-uniform scale. Oh, we need to go the opposite direction. There we go. I think like something like that. Right? Nice. And we could scooch it over to kind of decide where we want. Can even go past this seam. Yeah, let's just have, I kind of want like Benjamin's face on here. Like right, right there. Right, so it's more like you know what's up with that. Okay. Okay. And we're gonna call that $100 bill. And then we want a cylinder again, except we're gonna do this. Okay. Oh boy. Mirror. Nope. Coke mirror. Make it editable. And then gonna put like oh, that's kind of like a nice thing. It's like a turquoise, right? Like a lot of mirrors have that turquoise edge. I feel like I've seen that turquoise edge in a lot of mirrors. It's funny because there's actually no edges around here. Or like, see? Like this. Okay. In fact, we can take it from there. Coke mirror. Select faces. Shit. I don't know if I want to keep all these faces. Yeah. I'm gonna do really quick just before I forget this and before it drives me crazy later. Is you're gonna grab all this shit. May as well grab all that too. Okay. Grab it from up here. Grab all these. Nice. Okay. And we're gonna make a new texture. This one is going to take from that color. Put it on there. There we go. So I'm gonna call this mirror edge. This I'm gonna call dollar color. Okay, let's bring our Coke mirror back. Select all these. And we'll make, I don't know if, I don't think this is gonna translate. Diffusion, bump, alpha glow. I think that's what we want, reflectance, right? Beckman. Let's just see what that looks like. Oops. Translate like this. No. Also gonna just check like Unity mirror material. A reflection shader. Let's make sure it's that easy. I could just put it on something else. Okay, yeah, because I have a feeling that it's not that simple, right? Unity mirror material.
In this video, we'll have a look at adding reflections in.
Gonna make sure.
We'll be using reflection probes, and I'm just gonna place it somewhere under a certain face component. That's what, since when we're because you actually don't have to use the same bits we used. So let's bump that right back up.
And this might be a case of like it has to be static, like that. I think that might be a baked. Yeah, he just said static.
We can see that the reflection updates, but only in the beginning. To change this, we'll just change the refresh mode on awake to every frame.
Oh.
You can see now the reflection nicely follows the
Oh.
We can also change the smoothness of this reflection. You might not be able to see it, but it is a tiny bit laggy. To get rid of this, we can change the time slicing from all faces at once, which runs over 9 frames, to no time slicing. And there we go, the reflection is now completely smooth. Remember, these settings definitely also have a big impact on performance, so most of the time I'd recommend simply selecting the default option. So I'm going to exit out of play mode, select the reflection probe and change it back to baked. I'll select the cube again and change it back to smooth. And I'm also going to move it over here closer to the center of our probe. And what you'll notice is that suddenly our entire environment turns kind of red. And that's because a huge part of the reflection in our probe is currently a cube, because the cube is very, very close by. Now, one of the ways to make this better is by using multiple reflections. Duplicate it again and move it over again. And we can see this gets rid of the red over in the side. The post-processing step.
I guess it's not as simple as dragging and dropping some shit. Yeah, I don't even want to fuck with that. So let's just find a cool alternative to a Coke mirror. Could do it off of a record. Am I literally gonna be searching things to snort coke off of? At this point, I'm also kind of like, oh, is the bump cool? I mean, is the little bump on a scoop even better? Okay, coke surfaces to snort coke. It's always a fucking mirror. What's up with that? Where did that come from? I guess it's that whole thing of the I forgot what, like the type of surface it is, so none of it gets caught up in there. You don't waste any of it. Bow, 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 bow. Yeah, I guess doing it off of a record would be terrible. Well, it's the 70s, so it can't be a CD. Mirror is probably best. Shit. Okay. I just wish... How... Okay.
Hello everyone, this is Python here, aka
Let's see.
Transform the reflective surface of a glass so that it will reflect any boundaries or any layers running by and with are behind it, and how to make it reflect on classical cylindrical size, which will be a material and smooth this up. How to smooth this? Once we add, for this glass will drag and drop down, we'll click on this object that we want to view. We're going to open up the glass, all we need to do is transparent. We're going to smooth this up. How to smooth this? Once we add the reflective probe onto the smoothness.
Okay, smoothness all the way up. So it's just a glass shader. Okay. Okay, seems easy enough. So I'll still leave this on here and call it like the mirror reflective material. So there's at least something for me to replace when I get into Unity. And then what we'll do is I am thinking maybe oops, we'll make a sphere, scale it down like super crazy small. Let's actually hide our $100 bill. And let's keep scaling this just a little bit more. Okay. And then we'll bring it down like right there. Okay. And we're just gonna kind of move it around like this. And gonna kind of adjust it like that. Okay. And we'll adjust the scale of it too. Okay, let's put some lowered ones on this side. And you know, I think this is probably chill enough considering the other step I'm gonna do to it. Okay, so we have all these spheres on it. Gonna get these, make them editable, connect objects and delete, and then polygon Let's just search reduction. Right. Okay. Drop it in there. Gonna crank it up more. Right, and then we'll probably want to actually put a little bit of texture on it too. Let's see. So I'm gonna make the actual cocaine texture. Cocaine. Color. Making it snowy white. Okay. Looking a little rocky right now. Maybe what needs to be done too is before we put it in that polygon reduction thing, let's actually get all these faces. Oops. Get all these faces. And then I'm going to get... Where's my brush at? Brush. And I am going to... I think... Let's see, make sure this is left and right. Yep, great. Gonna get my brush on. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. What am I fucking doing here? I don't know what. Usually this should be adjusting the size of my, yeah, the radius. Okay, so it should be like 1, maybe 5. 25. Oh, right, because it only shows up on here. Let's do 50. 150. Jeez, 350. It's interesting. Ah. Okay, it's still too big. 1. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. 0.5. Just had to wait for that shit to update. 0.2. Come on. See, and I'm just gonna push all that in. Right? Like that. How's that look? See? And then we can put in a volume builder first, actually. Voxel size, it's gotta be so small. This voxel, okay. So I should turn it up a little bit, I guess. Maybe I don't want to put this in a volume builder. Could probably put a noise modifier in this. Shader, noise. Where's the intensity? Up this contrast. Oh wait, I'm stupid. There we go. .5. Holy shit. Relative scale. Mm. Oh, that's probably why. Stupid. Negative 99. Wow, Coke's hard to model. Here we go. There we go. Nice. Like right there. And then I'll even kind of just you know. How's that look? Could probably do with more of that, huh? Like this. Hmm. That's good. I'm tripping. That's fine. Maybe just like that. And yeah, there we go. We need. Oh boy. We need. Whatever. That would be so funny if they had that. Nothing, huh? Coke. We need. Cocaine. We're just gonna steal some kind of sprinkly texture, like that. That's a good one. If it's on black, it's even better. Let's see how that works. That's actually great. I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay. Save image. It's a JPEG though. Let's copy image and then fire up Photoshop. Firing up the shippity ship, shop, the one-stop shop. Okay, so we're gonna. Oh, I forgot what a pain in the ass it is to. Oh, fucking. I think there's like a term. What is it like? Unmult. Black. Transparency. Removing black or white from layer footage. Unmult. How to remove black. Yeah, I've done this before. But how do I do it in Photoshop again? Photo shippity ship. Okay, so I'm just getting like really racist vibes from this. I'm on a mission to completely annihilate the color black from my images and like headline destroy black. It's my first day of high school exploring Photoshop. There is no simple method to get rid of either black or white and nearby values and convert those to an alpha channel. It's been, oh, he said there is a really simple way. It's well hidden and obvious. Here's what you do. Open your image with the right background. Make sure it's a layer, not a background. Double click the layer. Look at the sliders below. Blend if. Drag the slider of the first layer. Okay. We're gonna, hey now, you're an all-star. Huh, why can't I? How come you know like that? Strange. Might have to give my computer a little restarting. Okay, pasting it. So, double click the layer. And then blow blend if. IF, blend IF. Is it blend if or blend IF? Oh. Drag the left slider of the first this layer. Oh, this thing. This gets rid of the black dark values. Oh shit, nice. Right? Hold down the Alt key, right? That's why that looks like that. And so that's the layer style. What I'm gonna do is okay. Or no. Oh, are we on a right? RGB. Don't flatten. Oh, fuck right off. Come on. Nope. New. Paste. Image mode. RGB. Flatten. Okay. Duplicate layer. Boom. And we're gonna put red in here. Then we're gonna, okay, let's keep as much of that as possible. That looks, oh, like that, and then like that, like that, and then like this. That looks pretty good. Okay. Control Shift Save. Environment. PNG. Coke line. Save. Okay. And now we can load up that Coke line PNG. Put it in the transparency too, just to see what it looks like in Cinema. Oh, right. Okay, and then it's gonna, just because we're really lazy here, we're going to scale this way the fuck down. Fucking scale this bitch. Okay. like right there. Tee it up, and then just like that. Like that. Could shrink it a little bit. Nice. Okay. Okay. We're gonna call this Coke powder texture. Da, 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 da. Nice, nice, nice. Calling this Coke powder texture plane, and this is Coke line of Coke. I'm gonna do copy paste, turn it off, and then we're gonna current state to object, blickety blow, delete, delete. And this. Gonna put it all together into Coke on mirror. Okay. Copy, new, paste. Sure. File, export, FBX. Line, okay, Coke on mirror. Mirror. Swing back over. Environment. And then just pop it in. Where is it? Does it have everything it needs? I think I might need to put this in there. Materials. Apply. Okay. So we want to parent this to the player. Power to the player. And then gonna unpack completely. Gonna bring it out. Okay. Actually, we're just gonna put as a child of the scalar at first. And we're gonna go 1, 1, 1. Now we're gonna put it as a child of the player. Ooh, child. Okay. Oh, you know what we need to do finally is clipping 0.1. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. Maybe give it a little rotate. you go. And then this texture plane. Boop-a-doop-a-doo. It is transparent. The albedo, can we change to just that? Does that change anything? I still feel like you can, okay, specular highlights, no. There we go. And reflections, no. There we go. Okay. So now we're carrying around this little, see what it looks like on the dance floor. Great. Oh yeah. Look at it under that pink light. Oh, this is the guy who gives it to us. Things are gonna get easier. Ooh, child. Look at it glow under that light. Things are gonna get easier. Okay. Oh, it feels good knowing how to do shit. What are we at? What are we looking at right now? How's this stream coming along? It's already been an hour and a half? 2.5 hours? An hour and a half. What the fuck was that? Okay. Coke on mirror. I'm gonna turn on the light really quick. 1 sec. Whoa, 8:19. Since when? Ooh, get a little drink of water. Okay. Now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna make it so you can equip it. So naturally, it has to be not activated. Activate. Is this Coke mode? Or this press 1 mode? Yep. Takes you down to Coke mode. Equip Coke. Okay, so gonna do activate game object. Coke on mirror. Specify game object. Coke on mirror. Okay. And we're gonna reset on exit. So at this point, what you want to do is have click, mouse, get mouse button. So if you left click it, it gives it to the NPC. If you right click, then okay. Left click, store result. Oh wait, no. Get. I'm only storing mouse pick event. Hold on, what the hell do you use? Get mouse button down. It's such a weird distinction. Okay. There's left click, which gives it. So new event, give NPC, give Coke to NPC. Okay. And then we're gonna copy pasta, new event, player, snort, player hork rail. I think there's probably nothing more satisfying than all the under the hood shit. Let's see. Sunny's sending me stuff. Check out the stream, bro. Just modeled a mad rail. You can rewind the stream to see the modeling process. Where else can I get textures for free? Textures.com is just the bee's knees. I use textures.com. And image, Google Images, image search, plain old Google image search. Okay. So we got give Coke to NPC and player hork rail. So we're gonna make these. Give Coke to NPC. What happens here? So if a player horks rail, what it does is it's going to scale time. It's going to scale time just by, let's give it by 2. And then we'll do a send event back to, let's do fin. Okay, and it'll take us back up here. Is there anything else we want it to do? Oh, it'll play a sound. Sound. Play random sound. And we're gonna go to sound, audio, Cameron stuff. And so for, or how do you, there we go. Forgot about that. Player. Snort Coke. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Okay. But the thing is that scale time thing has to... Oh, you know what I'll have it do? It's going to send an event instead, and it's going to send it to my time machine. Game object. Specify game object. Time machine. And new global event. New global event will be player hork rail _ global. Right, and then it plays that sound. Okay, so in time machine, we're gonna have it so there's add a global transition. Player hork rail global, and then here is where we will scale time. And then add a wait. And Oh, nice. Dude, see, Sonny's fucking modeling now. Yeah, he even got his fucking beveled ass edges on those speakers. Nice. He imported a fucking screenshot onto his. Bruh. So much going on in that image. Screenshot, image texture. Perfect. Just search my name and subscribe, dude. You beveled those edges on the speakers real nice. Materials all separated on their selections. How do you feel about it? Okay. So we scale time 2, and then we wait, and that lasts for, let's say 10 seconds. Okay. And then finish event is fin. And that takes us to start, actually. Ooh, child. Add global transition. Let's see. New event. Let's see. Time machine reset underscore global. Making it global. Add global transition. And then that's what this does. Okay. And delete this transition. So I'm not gonna press 0. I'll delete that later, but I need it for debugging. Oh wait, fuck. Wait, actually, yeah, is that already? Do I just bring it up? No, guess it's not. What am I missing? Player, equip Coke. Get key down. Alpha 1. Goes over here. It activates the game object. Coke on mirror. Activates recursive. Oh, but it resets on exit. Yeah, no, that is right. So why you know like do? Oh, do I have to do this first? Right, and then now 1. There we go. And then so I'm gonna look at this so I can see time speed up. I'm gonna right click it. Here we go. Oh, they're both left clicks. Stupid. You're such an idiot. Right. Press 1, bring out the Coke, go over here, press right click, and now, yep, look how fast I'm going. And look how fast they're going. Ooh, it's so short-lived. That's how fast it goes. Let's make it a little longer. Player. Oh no, it sends it to time machine. Okay, wait. Let's do 25 seconds. Was that really 10 seconds? Oh, you know what? Hold on. 10 seconds real time. Because I don't know what that fuck would be if... And let's change it to 3? Okay. Oh, man. It makes me so happy when shit works. Okay. Coming over here, press 1. Bust it out. Should probably put a sound for that, too. Like a little chopping sound. All right, and I'm going to right click. I'm going to turn up the volume for this. Yep, look how fast you are. Whoa, whoa. And then in a few more seconds, it'll go away. Nice. Bravo. Bravo. Ground control. We are good. Okay. This is ground. Ooh, can I just pop out another bump? Okay, so now we have to do the thing where it's only available if it's only available if we have enough Coke from our guy who sells it to us. God, I just want to play this game already. So when where's our Coke dealer? Coke dealer. Okay, player Coke bumps. He gives us 3. Right, I never gave him like a I think what needs to happen is for now, I'm going to give it a I'm going to give him a 120-second. Just wait at least 2 minutes before you can go re-up. And then it goes back around. And I think in his, he automatically goes back to his animation. Does he? NPCs. Mix mode downloads. Yeah, after he casts spell, he goes back to Shady Wait. So he gives you that. Okay, player. You know, right now, just to be absolutely, positively fucking safe, I am going to back it up because it's at a good point right now. Okay, LD46, games, boom. Okay, what do we want to do? Let me cross some items out. So now we can serve a beer, cocktail, and do all that. Equip an unquick Boat Coke Bump. That's right. Use it for self. That's right. But now we need to just make it so. Woo, shit. So it'll do a variable check, and then if it'll be like an empty plate, an empty mirror thing. If you run out, and it'll have it if you do have some. And that's all you need, right? That's all that really makes sense. That's at the equip Coke stage. So there needs to be an intermediary between pressing your one button for equip Coke, between that and the actual equip module state. So it'll be like, hey, do you have any left? Yeah, great. There it is. Hey, do you have any left? No? Great. Well, here is the plate, but no Coke on it. Or no bump. There'll be like some little, some dust. Okay. So we'll do that. And then after that, we have to make it so you can give it to NPCs. So NPCs, it'll be in the same thing. So once it's equipped, we'll do a ray cast. Let's do that first, and then we'll add whether or not the bump, because I kind of want to fuck around and give a bunch of NPCs the bump and then program their behavior for that. Skip to my loo. Okay, calling this V7, all coked up. Not really, right? We got like a little bit of Coke in there. Okay. Going to scene. So in here, activate game object, right? Okay. Give to NPC. So we're gonna do a ray cast. Ray cast. What's this? Trace movements. Okay, no. Okay, we're gonna do a ray cast. From game object. Specify game object. Player camera. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. And then store hit object in the raycast hit object. And then going to compare game object. The game object to compare to will be the raycast hit object, and actually we want to game object compare tag, right? Test if game object has tag. Right, I think getting a little foggy over here. Okay, the game object that we're testing is raycast hit object. Tag if it's an NPC, right? Okay, if it's a true event, then we are going to, I don't think I put it in here yet. So yeah, new event, give NPC, give bump to NPC. Okay, gonna let that add in. If it's false, we're gonna just go back around to here, right? Oh, wait, yeah, because you can only give it to NPCs. What is the error? Missing target state? Oh, right, because we want to do eventually this. Okay, so this will actually give it to the NPC. What does it do? What does it do? I know we want to do. Let's do. It does a send event, and it does it to a game object. It does it to the raycast hit object, and the event we're going to send is. I hope Hutong keeps developing Playmaker forever and ever, because this is just so great, and I hope Unity supports the shit out of it forever and ever, and I hope there aren't too many bumps along the road with updates and shit like that, because this just feels so amazing. The event it's going to send to that thing is new global event NPC underscore hork rail underscore global. Okay. And then we're going to do one more send event to self. Fin, add. Going to swing back around. So now in NPCs, I'm going to add a new state, add a global transition actually. NPC Hork Rail Global. Sounds like a company. Thank you for choosing NPC Hork Rail Global. What do we want to do? We want to nav mesh. Can't we change like the speed? Calculate a path between get nav mesh, layer, raycast, sample position, speed. Nav mesh agent, get agent, set agent maximum speed. Use owner. We're gonna change that shit to a solid 5. Something has me thinking that should be on a separate FSM. So what are the two FSMs we have for these guys? Location FSM. What's happening in this one? Outside in line. It's not even sure if I'm even using that anymore, but okay. Store collider, where am I? Variables, where am I? Used once. Let's check if it works without it. And if it does, means we could change that shit. Bitch. Okay. Speed things up. Okay. It's looking like everybody's still behaving. You know what it would have been a fucking perfectly fine line system is go to the front of the line, but on trigger enter another NPC, fucking stop moving. That would have been so Easy. I don't see any fucking downsides with that. Oh my god. That would have been. That's the answer. That would have been the fucking answer. Maybe I'll change that later. Anyways, let's let you in. Let you in. Let you in. Let you in. Fuck off. There's more people coming. I don't think we ever use this because it even says that one variable is only used in one place. So I'm gonna reactivate it, and now we're gonna call it NPC code out. Okay, and this global transition is NPC Horkrail Global. And here is where you set agent maximum speed to 5. And then you do a send event after 15 seconds. Send event. Fin. Boom. Set a start state. So we want it to look like that instead. And over here, you set your agent max speed is or it's steering. I think, yeah, that's what, yeah, 0.5, 0.5. Okay. Okay. What we're gonna do though is let's go back to that other one. We have to delete that global event. Okay. Now, our boys will be really kokey dokied up. I'm actually gonna click on this to make it a little smoother. Okay, hey, come on in. I'm gonna show you something cool. I can't tell if I just didn't realize how easily. Okay. Okay. You guys want to see something really cool? Actually, let's do it with somebody who's like barely walking here because I'm gonna have to kind of do this fast. Okay, you can come in, and then I'm gonna get this ready. I'm gonna give it to you. It's gonna do this. All right, let's see how fast he goes. Okay, here we go. What the fuck? Hello? Raycast hit object. If it's true, if it's an NPC, give bump to NPC. Which takes you up here. Wait. Okay. Takes you over here. Oh, because I'm hitting his... Oh, that fucking outside line box. I think that is some sloppy redundancy that I probably shouldn't have put in. So, NPC3, outside line box. Let's fix it. What you want to do is get root. Specify game object. Hit object. Store root in who's the parent outside of the line box. Okay. Is that fucking thing used for anything? Who is outside? See, oh, these are locals. They're not even globals. So, like, what's it for? I think we could disable this and everything would work fine, too. Let's disable it. Because if it is... Man, I think earlier I did some shit, too, where it's like... I had to fuck with that NPC fucking line box shit. Right? These people seem like they're doing just fucking dandy. Right, because... Okay, so the one time you do have that is in... when you let them in. Player... Okay. Recast. Right, so to tell the NPC to go inside, we don't even have to get parent. We just have to put the raycast hit object and delete this. And then same thing with the fuck off. Don't need this. Raycast hit object. I think this is going to work just fine. Right? Fuck off. Yep. Yep. Okay. So player. Okay, raycast hit object. Don't need to do that get root shit. Just the raycast. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna let you in. I'm gonna let you in. And then let me just grab this so it's smooth. I'm gonna equip my shit. And once he gets over here, I'm gonna give it to him. Boop. Yep. And boop. Come on. Hey. Why not? How come not you? You're too fucking cool for school or what, mate? What was that about? I don't understand that. Oh, can I not put away the Coke yet? Let's see. Okay. We need to be able to put the Coke away. That's really weird though, because it should just speed up any old boy if it worked for that one boy. Bring him in, bring him in, bring him in. Gonna bust out this Coke. Alright, and then you're gonna zoom. Why did you do that? Zoom. How come no? What in the holy fuck? Alright. Genesis NPC. Edit. Use owner. And get sent back to 0. It's 9 o'clock. I think I'm gonna take a little break. Doing pretty good so far. I'm gonna try to come back and figure out this weird one coked up NPC at a time thing. And then also change their animations. Okay. Actually, what am I gonna do? Just fucking watch YouTube videos and just hang out? Forget everything I just said. Or forget the part about stopping. I'm gonna stay on this. It's just warm in here. Let me take off my pants. Let me put this fan on me. Oy vey. Okay. Why? Why? Use owner. Player. Give bump to NPC. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's hitting the... Let me check. It might be hitting my... the Coke plate. Yeah. Sorry, I wanna monitor this. Okay. Okay, go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Okay. Alright, and then I'm gonna give it to you. Why is the yellow one flying over there? Okay, what about you? Raycast hit object was NPC 3. Is NPC 3 yellow? That is extra fucking weird because I totally did not click that yellow guy. Raycast. Raycast hit object. Oh. Yeah, I do, because it stores the hit object. And then it checks if it's an NPC. It might be that it's hitting like their mesh or something. That should definitely not be the case, but let's just be sure. And I'm going to change their mesh to NPC as well. But, you know, that's just weird because it does say, it definitely shouldn't be that because it said the name. So everybody by default is here. You get sent to here. I'm also gonna do, let's do an animator. Animator. Play. Use owner. And we're gonna do oh no, you know what? Even better. We're gonna do get animator or set animator speed. Change it also to 5. Copy over here. Center speed to, what is the default speed? 1 is normal playback speed. Okay. Okay. It'll go through those. Set animator speed to 5. Animator, we don't need an animator play. Just gonna do that. You can at least get a play sound. We'll get the same one though from you. Copy and paste it in here. Okay, let's see how this plays. Still really unsure. It might have to do with the fact that these things are on separate FSMs, but I don't know why how that gets translated into okay, like gonna tell you to come in, you to fuck off. Oops. Shit. You to come in and you to come in. So I have this bad feeling that this is gonna send the yellow guy flying by. Because he's the last one I clicked, which means that that fucking thing isn't registering. Right. Let's take a look at that raycast in player. So give, okay, specify, okay, this is where we're sending it from. We're storing the hit object, raycast hit object. Let's try to stay on this one. And we're going to see what my raycast hit object gets sent to. And we'll see how they match. There's probably some order of operations I'm kind of just missing out on. Okay, so we just clicked these two guys, right? And it says that my current one is NPC 2. So this is NPC 1, and this is NPC 2. Right? So what about now? And it doesn't affect him though. Okay, so I obviously been clicking on that guy. But it's not. Can I do it to somebody else? It's almost as if, too, like that sound is coming from one of them that's far away over there. Still NPC 1. This raycast is like fucking bugging out. All right, I'm going to take this game object compare tag. Oh, wait, no. We need it in there. What if we just give Coke to NPC, the raycast part goes at its own thing, and then we do a send event after that, which is just fin. Okay. Now will it? this yellow guy, this red guy, and this blue guy. Okay, now first, take this out and give it to you. But it goes to the last one I selected. Why just the last one I selected? It's like it's not updating it's not updating that variable. You know what? Can we just copy and paste raycast? Copy it. Paste it. I don't think I changed anything right now, but sometimes you just can't see something. Whoa, what the fuck? I think I might have accidentally clicked. That worked. That worked. Maybe it was something imperceptible. So I'm gonna use the blue guy, right? Just the red guy. Okay, I'm gonna try it on some people outside. There we go. It was something weird in that raycast thing that I just couldn't see. And I'll join you guys. Woo! Oh. Right. How about this? How about this? How about just like from back here? I'm just gonna be like, right? And then I'm gonna do a little bit of that. And let you in, 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 let you in. All right, it works. What was it? Let me take another look at this shit. Space. Maybe I changed like the world space or something stupid. Oh, duh. It was probably that direction shit. I always forget the fucking direction from the camera. That's probably what it was. That's like definitely what it was. Okay. So we got our Coke working now too. Oh, let's set it up so they can OD. Right, so we want to go to the them. And we're going to do an int compare. We want it in this one. Actually, I take it back. We want it in its own shit, and we'll probably make that the cork rail global. And this is delete the transition. And this will be the thing that decides their fate. Okay, so the int compare is global NPC blood cocaine concentration. It can't be. Ooh, skipples. I think. So, dang. I got some adjusting to do because you can't. Oh, can you send variables through FSMs? Get FSM int. Get the value of an integer variable from another FSM. Holy shit. Boom. Get FSM int. Okay, we're using the owner. And we're using, can I just drag it? Yeah, nice. Just select it. And the variable name I want to get is NPC blood cocaine concentration. And then we're going to store the value in a new variable. NPC underscore blood cocaine concentration underscore this FSM. Okay. And so we want to compare that to, what did I originally say is the max? 5 is maxed out in overdose. So it's +1 when you give it to them. Okay. All right. Set FSM int. No, we'll just do that. Is there a way we could? Shit, is there a way we could do that locally? There's no add int for an FSM. Shit. Get the values of multiple variables in another FSM stored in the variables the same. Is this FSM? I mean, I guess we could do all the Coke stuff in here. I don't think I have an OD thing in here, huh? Fight back. That's all fighting. Yeah, I could just do it. So what kind of stinks so is now I just have to move all this shit. Hmm. Like, because when you're born, doesn't it give you a... Right, it does the random int on here for that shit. Is there a way to remember, like, the last state? Sends events based on the current state of FSM. Get previous state name. Gets the name of the previously active state and stores it in a string variable. Bro. My brain is turning to mush still. Woo. What are we looking at here? 2.5 hours? Okay, get previous state name. What does it look like? Does that mean I just have to fucking put this in every state? Or I guess you could just put it at like checkpoints, huh? So immediately return to the previously active state. What the fuck? Oh, okay. So maybe I can send it somewhere where it does that whole spiel, and then it sends me back to the state before that. Go to previous state actually seems incredibly helpful. Right, because you can kind of get these global... In fact, I wonder how much of this could be changed. Edit the coked out thing. So what if we went to one where it's like, it set all this up, right? Oh no, you'd still need this like 15-second thing. Right, it's mostly because there's this timer running. We could still do all of the... So if we give a bump to an NPC, it sends it It sends that NPC. It's hard juggling all these concepts right now. It tells the NPC to do that Hork Rail global, which is on that other FSM, which just changes the cosmetic aspects and puts that countdown timer. But honestly, what it could do is if there's a way to kind of like dip back and forth with that previous state shit. Because we need the reset time. We need to reset that timer shit with the other FSM. There's pretty much no getting around that. But that only happens if, so you only go to second FSM if you're not gonna OD, right? So too high, just die, all good, go to second FSM. But with a little break in here where you go to the int add locally, or on like the first FSM. So if you're all good, your first stop is here at first FSM, and then return to previous state. Okay, that makes sense. So this send event Horkrail global, we are actually not going to use. What we're going to use instead, or I guess, what can we call it? Let's go to this. So the raycast hit object is Horkrail global. Let's just say it does go there, right? But let's do that first in here. So we'll do add global transition, NPC Horkrail global. And here, what we want to do is check. So we're going to do an int compare. And we're going to do an int add, actually, because he needs to actually take the bump. So the variable we're going to add to is the blood cocaine concentration. And we're going to add 1. And then we're going to do an int compare. And the first one we're going to compare is the BCC. And then we're going to compare it to, what is the overdose limit, did I say? Like 5, I think. 5. Right? So if it's equal, then we do a new event, which is, we're going to call it NPC underscore overdose. And I think that's global, right? Yeah. I mean, that's local. So NPC overdose, right? If it's greater than, it's also the same thing. We have so many fucking NPC overdose. If it's less than, then we're going to want to NPC underscore all coked up underscore global. Add the transition. Oops, no, I'm sorry. Do not add the transition. Delete that transition. And we're actually gonna delete that transition too, because they're gonna be global. So NPC overdose. Oh wait, no. This is fine because we could take care of that right here. Just like I don't care what you're doing. So boom, this is what happens when you overdose. Everything comes screeching to a halt. And so now in that second FSM, we're doing NPC all coked up global. So this is actually going to be custom events, NPC all coked up global. Nice. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. So that's pretty much this. Add global transition, all coked up global. Right? Plays the sound, sets the speed, sets the animation speed for 15 seconds, puts you over here. Cool. Okay, so let's give an NPC an overdose. Okay. I'm gonna just select something light. Okay. Come on. Let's give him an overdose right here. That's kind of weird. I did not click. I just pressed 1. And that guy just came in. Maybe I did. I don't think I clicked. Okay, now I'm going to click holding this. So what did I do? Player. What's the one error? Event not used by the state or any global transition. Oh. It's not letting me talk to that global? I thought I did that before, though. Oh, did I not change this to global? How about now? all coked up global. It's right here. Let's get rid of this int compare. Try it again. And we're going to compare is blood cocaine concentration. Compare it to 5. If it's equal, then we're going to NPC overdose. It's greater than, going to NPC overdose. If it's less than, custom events, NPC all cooked up global. What the fuck? NPC all cooked up global. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna go to this one. And transition event. Also gonna delete it. Events NPC underscore all coked up global. Okay, set the transition, add global transition. Okay, let's go to this. Over here, if it's less than, go to custom. There we go. Event not used by this state or any global transition. So how'd you even know it was there, bro? Bro Hamsif. You know what we'll do is new event NPC underscore all coked up local. Add it. Fuck, but then that defeats the purpose of that send to previous state thing. Is it send FSM event or something? Get FSM array, enable FSM. Damn, it can create FSMs. That's crazy. FSM state sends events based on the current state of an FSM. Okay. Go to this thing. Go to this thing. Back when you were in player. Send event. NPC Horkrail Global. Did it need? Really unsure why that's not. So it sends to NPC Horkrail Global, which is right there. And if it's less than, is it system event, UI event? No. I can't tell if I'm like, I mean, we had it talking to this FSM before. It was doing something. There was a way where I was able to talk to this. NPC all coked up global, all coked up global. Maybe it has to be one way and not the other. So what if I delete that and then delete transition and then go to this one, and then in here I say, is it just that it can't send a global event? You know what I'm gonna do, just because fuck you right now, I'm going to, let's just try one more time. I'm losing my goddamn mind, and let's see, NPC overdose, NPC all coked up global. Okay, now we'll go to this one, add global transition, custom, global. Weird. Super weird. It's okay. So I'm gonna do all cooked up local, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get previous state name at the top of this. Store name, new variable, last recorded state. Okay. And then gets the name of the previously active state and stores it in a string variable. And so this is when you're all coked up, and this has a send event. Just a second. Okay. So, send event to self. We're gonna send that all coked up global. What the fuck? It exists, I swear. There it is. How come you don't know that that shit exists anymore? Event not used by this state or any global transition. Delete transition. Events. All cup global. For some reason before NPC Horkrail global worked. To send events between FSM, they must be marked as global in the events browser. NPC all coked up global. Okay. Add global transition. Going to this one. Events. Very, very strange. Very, very strange. That's it right there. And then if I go over here, that's it right there again. Sends an event after an optional line. Note, to send events between FSMs, they must be marked as global in the events browser. Well, maybe I could use this somehow. Oh my fucking god. I just didn't remember that. Okay. Don't need to do this. Don't need to do all this. Delete transition. Oh wait. But this one actually might need it that way. Because sorry. Yeah, we'll actually do that. God, what a mess. Okay. We're going to send event. And then we're going to send event by name. And we're also going to we already did that. Right. So we're going to do FSM component. And we're gonna go. See, that's how fast I forgot that I had to do that bit. So we're gonna send it to this one. We're gonna send all coked up global. There it is. Okay. Let me just make sure it's all looking good down here. Yep. Okay. Back over here. Send event by name. Self, right? And what did we... Last recorded state. Send event. I guess it's gonna have to be a global, right? Oh, there it is. Stupid. Okay. So that should send it back to wherever. So right here, we're getting the previous state name, so wherever this came from. Ooh, but hang on. I guess we're gonna find out. Let's just learn the hard way. Oh, and over here we can also... Oh, no, it's already this thing. So you do the int add, you add one, right? And then this is the overdose thing. So we want to animator. And then state name. It's gonna be... edit coke od. We're not gonna loop. Gonna apply. And gonna drag it up in here. Coke OD. And it just stays there until a player goes and does something. Let's see if this works. Okay. See, why does he come in? Why do you just let yourself in like that? So I'm gonna give you one of these. Oh, you were already fucking on the verge, bro. Holy shit. Okay, what about you? About some more. That's 2, 3. Oh, too much. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, too much. 1, 2, 3. Everybody stops at 4. I think maybe because by default they start with 1. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no. So those guys already had a little bump before they came in. So this guy has 5. There he goes. 1, 2. Oh. What about you? 1, 2. Just 3, I think, or 2. I'm not really sure. What's up with this? I don't know why I can't click on this guy. It's kind of weird. Just all these people fucking OD'd in line. Yeah, there's some questionable humor in this game. Very problematic. Oh wow. So you're just on the fucking verge, huh? Let's put this away and give you a drink. Oh, okay, so that's a problem. The cocktail revived him. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, guys, you want to come in? Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, that's good. Alright. It's looking good. It's looking good. Alright, that's it for tonight, folks. If I do a little bit more work tonight, I'm probably just gonna do it in peace and quiet. So, that's it for tonight's stream. And looked like nobody was watching. So, goodbye, nobody.